To disassemble the pump, remove the suction and discharge air vessels by twisting them up and down while pushing them out. Place the pump down and unscrew the wing bolts in a diagonal fashion. Loosen the knob on the yoke guide completely. You can now remove the rest of the pump assembly from the cage. The bottom cylinder will come loose automatically, and then remove the yoke guide. Use the Allen key to loosen and remove the bolts on the bottom of the yoke. You can now pull the yoke off the piston rod. Remove the bellow retainer, piston guide bush and O-ring. You can now pull the bellow and top cylinder off. Remove the cylinder adapters by pulling them off. The O-ring securing them is tight, so some force and twisting is needed here. You can now push the piston and piston rod out of the pump cylinder.